know.
Okay.
All right, when it rains, there are certain streets in Hartford and other communities in our state that always flood. We're always showing you the images of those.
Exactly. So what happens if the flooding causes a crash? Laura Twilley, the founding attorney at LA Law, is here to figure it out. Good morning, Laura. Nice to see you.
Good morning, Scott.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Looking very dapper today, as always.
Thank you very much.
No bow tie.
No bow tie.
Yes, very different look for a lawyer.
Yeah.
Very nice. Very nice.
Usually you do have a bow tie.
Generally,
more often than not.
Yeah, it's sort of my ting.
And congratulations to your daughter who just started working at the firm.
Yes, thank you very much.
That's
She's
very
getting ready
exciting.
for law school. Yeah.
That's really exciting. Good for you.
I'm excited for her.
All right, so flooded roads. Who's to blame? Yeah.
You know, a lot of times people would like to blame the cities for not cleaning up the drains and so on and so forth, but there's a law in Connecticut that basically says if the road or the city or the state wasn't the exclusive cause of the crash, then they're out. So really it's incumbent upon drivers to make sure that they're driving appropriately for the conditions that exist at the time. There's a law that covers that too.
Going down a highway, doing the speed limit, hydroplane, off the road you go.
Yeah.
Whose fault?
Your fault.
Oh.
Yeah, there's a law 14-218A which basically says.
I was thinking about that.
You thought that one. I know.
That's the one I was thinking
you
about
said
last
B
night.
earlier. It's
I know, I'm
14-218B.
sorry.
14-218A that basically says you have to be driving appropriate for the conditions that existed at the
So
time.
you should have been slowing down?
Slowing down because of the road conditions, yes.
All right,
So
what about if there's another party involved here and, you know, they bumped you?
yeah, so then they're also 14-218A.
Okay.
So they need to be driving appropriately for the conditions that existed at the time. You could file a claim against their insurance, for sure.
If you're in the car by yourself and you do come across a flooded area and you are the result of an accident by yourself,
Yeah.
you don't hit anybody else, should you call the police?
Absolutely.
Really?
Absolutely. I think you should. Because I say absolutely if the damage is significant.
Okay.
I mean, if it's just like a little scratch or something like that, I don't believe I would. But
Okay.
if you're going to make an insurance claim, you're going to want to because they're going to do their own investigation. They may think some funny stuff is going on or something of the like, and so you would want to have that documented.
Everything's
like, no, the weather,
substantiated.
yeah, there was flooding. This is legit. This is what happened.
Okay. What about
type of
sun
deal.
glare?
Ooh, sun glare in the fall and then
And then
spring,
even now, like
even
7,
now.
8 o'clock at night.
It's true. It's true. Again, we know it's out there. You have to be aware, and you got to watch your speeds. And also, here's the thing: like, keep your head on a swivel for other people that aren't paying attention, because
that's
it's
the difficult
usually the
part.
other people that are just.
Yep. I'm
Going
driving
along.
for everybody else on the road.
Yeah, exactly.
yeah.
Which not everyone has that mentality, unfortunately. So you said you had a client who was stopped at a traffic light during a rainstorm. A car was coming from the opposite direction, hit a puddle, hydroplane striking the client's front end of the car, resulting in them getting hurt. Who pays those medical bills?
Yeah. So that was a new client, and her medical payments coverage on her auto policy is fronting some of those bills.
Gotcha.
But ultimately, that at-fault person that hydroplaned into her, their insurance company is going to pay.
Okay.
So there's sort of, sometimes there's a reimbursement aspect that goes on behind the scenes. So, but ultimately it's...
Come
a
back
third
at
party.
3?
Yeah, I'll be here.
All right, Laura Twilley, you come back at 3.
With
Here's how you're going to
tacos.
touch.
There you go.
Taco Tuesday.
Taco
yeah.
Tuesday, yeah. This is how you can get in touch with the lawyer at LALawCT.com. You can find him on social media. Lawyer, the lawyer. Yes, his first name is Lawyer. How cool is that? 860-595-3163 or LALawCT.com.
Cool. Thanks, Laura.
Thanks for having me.
Marcy,
Thanks, Laura.
take it away.